Top of the hour, let's begin with a breaking update where Congress has done it again, where veteran Congress leader Digvijay Singh has now backed anti-India propagandist and toolkit contributor Peter Friedrich. Now, remember, Peter Friedrich had equated Prime Minister Modi to Hitler, and Friedrich's name had also found a place in the toolkit, which is still under investigation by the police. However, when we take a look at Friedrich's social media handles, it clearly reveals his anti-government stand, and someone who is said to be an author, an activist, a speaker and a traveler. Now this individual's tweets and his ideas are being supported rather by a Congress leader, Digvijay Singh. Let me straight away go across to Sumi now. Sumi, as far as Digvijay Singh is concerned and the controversy now that surrounds his latest tweet, can you give us more on that, please?
Yes, Amrita, it is rather very unfortunate that Peter Friedrich, who has been on the radar of the United States as well as of the Indian Directorate agencies as well, has now been validated by Congress's veteran leader Digvijay Singh. And in fact, Peter Friedrich has very clearly said, I would like to read his tweet out loud. I've sometimes called Modi the Hitler of the East. As you correctly pointed out, he's equated Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the Hitler of the East. And in fact, he has made several anti-government tweets, in fact, in the past as well. In fact, he had also, I remember one of his tweets where he had said that if a person tweets against RSS or the BJP, they will have to face consequences. And he has been making similar tweets which had a sense of propaganda. And in fact, now that tweet, one of those tweets where he has been equating Prime Minister Narendra Modi and making a very derogatory remark against the Prime Minister of our country has been validated by the Congress senior leader Digvijay Singh. And in fact, Digvijay Singh has tweeted it with a quote saying, Modi made a big show of his visit to Vatican and meeting the most reverend Pope, but now his followers have been spewing venom in the country against Christians and Muslims. That is what Digvijay Singh has said. But it's not about making a tweet, it's about validating what Peter Friedrich has said. And in fact, Peter Friedrich, if I go back to the farmers' agitation, he was one of the very main accused, along with Greta Thunberg, who had been constantly looked upon by the Indian agencies. And in fact, he was also very popular, rather unpopular for his anti-government tweets back then also. It doesn't make any sense for the Congress to push the foreign agenda all over again. And in fact, the person who has been behind the toolkit, certainly the Congress will have to give a very stern answer to that. But they haven't given stern answer to that, and they have rather validated that particular thought, and they've pushed the propaganda further in the country. They've brought the propaganda all over again back in the country.
Now, because Sumi, what is being linked by Digvijay Singh is the recent news that happened when it comes to Mamata Banerjee alleging that the missionaries of charity and their employees who have been stranded after the centre allegedly froze all of its bank accounts. And there has been a detailed counter by the MHA itself, saying that none of the accounts has been frozen, and they have countered that, issuing a statement. And that is everything that is now being linked by Digvijay Singh.
Yes, absolutely. Ever since TMC highlighted that particular problem, but they brought the wrong problem in highlight, because MHA has been personally taking cognizance of the entire accounts of the missionaries, and they have came out with a very clear statement that none of the accounts have been frozen. But yes, since TMC has been speaking about it at length, Digvijay has also jumped the bandwagon, and now he has been targeting Bharatiya Janata Party. Since that particular issue has been resolved, and that particular issue was nowhere to be discussed because it doesn't stand a chance against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now he has come up with a brand new issue against the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he has brought Peter Friedrich and his tweets all over again, and he has been pushing the foreign agenda all over again. And Peter Friedrich has been one of the prominent names for Toolkit. And in fact, as I said, Indian agencies he have been on the radar of the Indian agencies as well as the United States Drug Administration as well. So he's not a problem for our country; he's a problem for Europe, for the United States as well. And if a veteran politician of Congress supports his idea, supports his propaganda, then it's certainly a bigger problem for the country.
Absolutely. So that is a tweet that has now been put up by the senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh, which is coming out in support to Peter Friedrich. Now, who is a person who has come to light infamously because of the toolkit propaganda, which is still being investigated by the police. Now, Friedrich's social media handles has revealed that his stand is very much anti-government, and according what is being said in his tweet, which is actually being supported by Digvijay Singh, where he had called Prime Minister Modi as a Hitler of the East. Let me go across to Samiksha now. Samiksha, just an update on the two tweets, what has been done by Peter Friedrich and what has been replied to that is response by Congress leader Digvijay Singh.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Let me just once again take you through this tweet that has been put out by Digvijay Singh. Now, what he has said is that Modi made a big show of his visit to Vatican and the meeting the most revered Pope, but Modi's foot soldiers are spitting venom against Christians and Muslims. Absolutely appalling, shocking tweet there by Digvijay Singh. Now, this comes in response to the tweet that was earlier put out by Peter Friedrich, where he had said that I have sometimes called Modi the Hitler of the East. To my mind, the only question remaining is if and when the Hindutva pledges to kill will also include a vow of loyalty to Modi as the Führer of India. So absolutely atrocious, tweet there. In fact, the hashtags also here saying Modi disaster for India, arrest Haridwar genocide mongers, Haridwar genocide summit. Of course, we've seen what really happened in the Haridwar summit, the hate speeches that were made, but that is absolutely another incident, altogether. But yes, the tweet there being put out by Digvijay Singh, echoing the words that were the tweets that was earlier put out by Peter Friedrich, where he had called Modi the Hitler of the East.
Samiksha, thanks very much for the moment. To you, Sumi, as well. We continue to break up, and when this story is concerned, as far as more reactions still that are building up on Congress Neta supporting anti-India propagandist Peter Friedrich, who has attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's quickly move on now to another breaking news.